WPMU Dev offers a premium, fully managed, virtually dedicated WordPress hosting service that is fast, secure, and great value for money. Our experts have fully optimized and compartmentalized hosting to deliver super fast WordPress websites every time, along with putting together the tools you need to keep everything running smoothly. With numerous international server locations to choose from, you can make sure your site is hosted as close to you as possible. With your own unique IP address and virtually dedicated resources, unlike shared hosting, your site is safe from being impacted by others. Your resources are all yours. Our excellent 24/7 live chat support team can help with anything hosting related, so you always have someone around if you need them. Existing websites can be moved effortlessly by using our automated migration tools, or we can take care of everything for you and move your website for free. Your site is completely safe. We run nightly backups to make sure you always have the latest version to fall back on. One-click staging makes it easy for each site to have its own staging environment, completely separate to the live site where you can test changes and updates. When you're ready, you can push the changes from your staging site to production in a matter of seconds. Even our basic hosting plan supports multi-site and WooCommerce websites. As if that isn't enough, each site comes with a free SSL certificate and 10 email accounts, along with our pro plugins to help ace Google Core Web Vitals and rank higher in search engines. The hosting dashboard has advanced tools like Object Cache, Static Server Cache, Web Application Firewall, Integrated File Manager, and a one-click WordPress reset button, so there's no need for additional plugins or services. WordPress freelancers and agencies will love our white label hosting option too. Finally, DNS Management gives you complete control of your domain and DNS records, saving you time with built-in automation, expert configuration, and a super simple interface to work from. Sign up today and get fast, secure, reliable managed hosting for WordPress made by WordPress experts.